Hey friends, this is VTHO here, and welcome to the new update on VeThor. Recently, the price on VeThor broke out this down channel, and by the way, the technical target for this breakout that we were expecting was here at the top of the channel at $0.007, but the price and rallied beyond that target. It got rejected by this very long-term uptrend line resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see this uptrend line resistance is coming from the month of May 2022. We had rejection here, another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that is happening here in the third week of January 2025. And after this rejection, the price has broken down a very, very significant support. It is a complete support zone from $0.005, from half cents to $0.0045. And now again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeThor that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish Carly pattern that VeThor completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 54% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of VeThor. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, I'm going to show you the daily one. And here you can see that for the past several weeks and months, it has been moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of November. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally for a while. We also broke out this very long-term resistance zone as well. That was starting from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005. And after the breakout, the price then was rejected by this very long-term uptrend and resistance. And after this rejection, the price then bounced from this support zone, but finally we have again broken down this support line. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that there's previously this resistance zone that was recently also working as a support zone on the daily time frame has been previously working as a resistance zone here. And here it has been working as support zone. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. Now we are about to hit the next long-term support of $0.003. That was recently working as a resistance zone here and almost as a resistance here, support here. And by the way, here for a few weeks, you can see that it has been working as a resistance here as well. Now you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term channel, but a very, very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very massive pump from this low to here. It was more than 1,300% pump, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.